Here we're looking at the gold futures, and this is one that I talked about for some time that I really felt was improving, and I said it was going to continue its weakness as it's going to take a pretty good move down and then kind of retest around that the 1060 to 1050 level, which was a 50% retracement on the main move, and I really felt we were seeing kind of a wave three. Really complete, and then seeing a slight, potentially maybe even a bigger wave four, but then a final five. But I think we're starting to see potential for this to be, a very a good trade to the upside as it's really starting to be overextended, in my opinion. We really very very close to where you're seeing the 50% retracement is right at 550, 1050. You're only about 30 points from that on that low. Not very much in this move here, and I think we might, it's trying to recover. Could make a little counter move here, maybe go up to 1120, maybe 1130 here, but then I think we may just see one more gas. But this is one of those situations where we're seeing it really pretty dramatic move, and I think it makes sense to get some positions to the long side. And here we're looking at GLD on with motive wave, and this is what I'm talking about. We could really be seeing kind of a longer, one, two, three, and then potentially the four and the five move. I wanted to put in a couple potential ratios here just to kind of show where we could start to see some movements. Now you could see the 3 versus 1. So if we're looking at the 1, this 3 move is really already moved over the 161% retracement level and is just about at the 200%. You could see it right at this 102.83 level. So this is why I think if we're going to start to see it bounce, I think it could start to happen here, do this 4 wave, and maybe then you see a move down to 98. But when I look at it, you're not really seeing, you're not too far off it. You're only about 4 points to the low here, and we're starting to see prices, I think, a little overextended. So we may just catch close to the low and a potential bounce back up into this maybe 110 level. And this is where I think we would want to be careful and start to maybe exit a little bit and then take profits and then look for a pullback here. But I think we're a little overextended. So we're going to find a couple things potentially that may be a little overextended and look for a bounce in them in gold.